If you're a junior developer, this might be uncomfortable to hear, but it's real. In this video, I want to talk about something most developers are afraid to admit. The job isn't just about writing code anymore. But before you panic, I'm also going to show you what's replacing it. And honestly, it's a better path. Let me explain. Let's start with the data. Because if we're going to talk about this, we need to be honest about what's actually happening in the market. This isn't just a feeling. In many markets, junior hiring has dropped sharply over the last couple of years. The exact numbers vary by region, but the trend is clear. At the same time, companies are investing billions into AI infrastructure. We're talking about a capital rotation, not a recession. The money is still there, it's just going somewhere else. Bootcamp grads are fighting for scraps, while senior engineers are turning down offers. That gap is very real now. And it's getting wider every quarter. So why is this happening? Why are companies cutting juniors while doubling down on AI? The answer might surprise you. Let me be clear about something first. AI is genuinely impressive. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Claude can write code faster than most humans. That's not hype, that's fact. For routine tasks, boilerplate, CRUD operations, simple algorithms, AI is already better than most junior developers. It's faster, it doesn't get tired, and it's available 24/7. But here's the thing about AI. It's really good at syntax. But it struggles with context, especially in complex systems. AI predicts the next token based on patterns it's seen before. It doesn't actually understand what it's building. It doesn't know if your architecture makes sense. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you have a distributed system running across 3 cloud regions. You're using eventual consistency for performance.